nursing, you don't just treat an illness. You step into a family story where love can sometimes become the hardest obstacle to navigate.
Good morning, Nurse Leah. So, Isabel, your test confirm a condition that needs treatment soon. As of now, meron tayong dalawang choices. Yung first option mo is slow but safer, and then yung other option naman is faster pero meron siyang more risk.
Doc, we'll decide this as a family. Masyado pa siyang bata para alalahanin at mapakinggan lahat ng mga bagay na to.
Dad, I'd like to hear everything myself.
Nurse, in our family, yung mga parents, pinoprotektahan nila yung mga anak nila sa mga ganitong type of decisions. Ayoko ma-stress ang anak ko.
Naiintindihan ko po, Mr. Ramirez. That's an act of love. Pero 23 years old na po si Isabel. Marunong na po siyang magdesisyon para sa sarili niya po. As her caretaker po, I need to make sure na ma-acknowledge ko yung gusto niya while also respecting yours. We can make this decision together with her voice guiding us.
I just don't want her to choose wrong.
Then let's help her choose together. Hello uli, Isabel. Isabel, your dad loves you. Pero ikaw, tatanungin kita, anong gusto mong gawin?
Actually po, gusto kong ako yung pipili sa mga kung anong dapat na gagawin sa akin. Pero ayoko pong ma-feel ni Dad na hindi ko siya nire-respeto, na hindi ko nire-respeto yung gusto niya.
We can do both. You can decide and he can be a part of it. What if mag-arrange tayo ng meeting with your dad and Dr. Manjares para lahat ng maririnig ay dapat marinig?
I like that po.
Andito po tayong lahat ngayon para marinig yung desisyon ni Isabel para sa sarili niya po. Andito rin po si Dr. Manjares para i-explain niya po yung mga options.
Okay, so for short po, yung option 1 po natin is less aggressive pero mas mabagal siya compared dun sa option 2 which is faster pero mas marami naman po yung side effects.
Dad, I thought about it po. And I choose option 1. I feel like it's slower but it's right for me. And I need you po throughout the process.
Anak, kung yan talaga ang gusto mo, susuportahan kita, no matter what.
In the end, it wasn't about which treatment was chosen. It was about making sure the choice belonged to her, with her family beside her. Sometimes being a nurse means standing in the middle, so every voice is heard and no one is left behind.